This is 7 in national news, and in our top story, in reference to the UAE's Mars mission 2021. The goal is not about the destination, but rather about advancing humans and developing science, technology and education. And building a strong, successful team is the pride of any leader. That's according to the UAE Vice President, Prime Minister and ruler of Dubai, His Highness Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum. His Highness's statement came during a brainstorming session that he headed in the presence of Dubai's deputy ruler, His Highness Sheikh Maktoum bin Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum. The ruler of Dubai stated that the Mars mission will benefit humanity, as data and results will be showcased to benefit all scientists around the globe. He added this will have a long-term impact on scientific development and knowledge expansion in the UAE, in addition to creating a new sector to boost the economy. His Highness Sheikh Mohammed added that the secret behind the success of many federal and government entities in the UAE are dedicated teams who are the country's biggest asset for building a sustainable future for the next generation. During the session, His Highness Sheikh Mohammed also discussed ways to improve government services and also stressed that his vision emphasizes adopting more innovative ways to cope with challenges and nurturing young national talents. The Drug Registration High Committee has approved 62 new pharmaceutical drugs, which includes treatment for a number of diseases such as cancer, diabetes, rheumatoid, high blood pressure, and organ transplant operations. According to news agency WAM, 3 other drugs were postponed or not fulfilling the required papers. The new approvals were made during a meeting of the committee chaired by Dr. Amin Hussein Al-Amiri, the Assistant Undersecretary for Health Policies and Licensing, and also the acting chairman of the committee. He revealed that more than half of the approved drugs are innovative to treat hepatitis C and are produced by one of the largest pharmaceutical companies in Europe. Another innovative approved drug is produced by Gilead US and is also for the treatment of hepatitis C. Dr. Amiri added that a ban was put on sodium cyclamate, a sweetening pharmaceutical item, from all drug markets in the country due to its dangerous side effects on the liver and some cancers. The Medical Devices Registration Committee also approved 20 new companies and a conditional approval for 11. The committee then approved 18 new medical devices. They gave a conditional approval for 50 others and postponed the approval of 11. The medical items included those for diabetes and blood pressure devices, wound and cosmetic supplies, hospital supplies, and other equipment. The second phase of the Jumeirah Corniche project is now complete. That's according to a senior official from the Roads and Transport Authority. Engineer Maytha bin Uday, the CEO of the RTA Traffic and Roads Agency, was quoted in a local daily as saying that the newly completed sector of the Corniche will be open to the public in the 3rd week of this month, and walking and jogging enthusiasts are invited to practice and enjoy their hobbies. The beach side of the project has reached 4.5 kilometres following the completion of the second phase, spanning 2.5 kilometres. And off the back of this, the completion rate now stands at nearly 75%. The project extends about 7 kilometres and will see a 5-metre wide walk, a 4-metre wide jogging track, as well as rest areas including retail kiosks, shaded benches overlooking the beach, as well as public and health amenities. In an effort to enhance the public safety experience for citizens, governments must innovate their data management strategies. That's according to communication experts participating at this year's Critical Communication Middle East. Running until the 16th of September, more than 750 critical communication professionals and over 50 speakers will be taking part in the 3-day conference and exhibition, which began today. Among the top discussions at the forum was the use of broadband and 4G networks for government services, particularly in regards to public safety. According to experts, due to technological developments, public expectations are growing wider and more mature. In response, governments should adapt smart policing strategies to deliver actionable intelligence for data analysis. Among the government entities participating in the forum is NEDA, which highlighted their efforts with government departments, such as the civil defence, ambulance and transport, to better manage secured critical communication networks. Such innovations, according to them, will help operation rooms at government departments in developing predictive strategies.
There are many examples where broadband can be used in the smart cities. One of them, let's say, the electronic meters to read the electricity and water consumptions on the spot. As a consumer, I can log into my device, the smart device, whether PDA or smartphones. I can see what is my actual consumption at this point of time. For example, for the ambulance, that will increase or it will enable the ambulance cars to communicate with the ER rooms in different hospitals. Okay, send patient records. Send real-life information about the patient while driving to the ER rooms. Enable the doctor to be ready to receive those patients on that hospitals.
A new system to help compile a database of Indian expats in the UAE is currently underway. News of the database came at the Indian States Conference over in the capital on Saturday, where Anurag Bhushan, the Consul General of India in Dubai, stated that they are now working on a new system which will allow them to get comprehensive data from various expat communities, which they hope to unveil in a few weeks' time. He added the missions will seek the help of all community associations, private companies employing Indians, and recruitment agencies to popularize the new system. Francis de Souza, the Deputy Chief Minister of Goa, stated that about 25 million Indians are believed to be living overseas. Sharjah is looking to spend 30 million dirhams on over 500 high-tech CCTV cameras in order to keep an eye on the Emirates' roads. Major General Humaid Mohammed Al-Hadidi, the Commander-in-Chief of the Sharjah Police, made the announcement, stating that 500 video cameras will be installed on key roads and vital places in the Emirate in the first phase of the project, which will last for 5 years, and a total of 3,000 video cameras will be installed depending on needs. The move comes as the Sharjah Police signed an MOU with Dell on Thursday, where Dell will overhaul the existing city surveillance infrastructure. And finally, looking to other news now, in the lead-up to Big Boys Toys 2014, the world's most expensive art bicycle, the most powerful two-wheeler, and incredible off-road buggy were unveiled in Dubai today, teasing the crowd of what's in store for one of the region's most anticipated lifestyle events. This year's Big Boys Toys promises to be one of the main attractions over Eid al-Adha. The Cosmic Star Cruiser art bike, valued at $2 million, is a hand-painted, one-of-a-kind luxury art piece bike by renowned artist Jack Armstrong, who vowed never to produce another one. The Triumph Rocket 3 boasts of having the largest capacity engine for a two-wheeler. Powered by a hefty 2,300cc engine, the Rocket 3 Roadster is the world's most powerful bike and is valued at $23,549. Also unveiled at the press conference today was the $54,450 Rage Comet, the ultimate off-road vehicle capable of accelerating from 0 to 100 kilometers in just 3 seconds, with a top speed of over 190 kilometers per hour, that's been tested by World Rally and Formula One drivers. Organised by Artaj Events, Big Boys Toys is taking place from the 3rd to the 5th of October at Skydive Dubai, offering unparalleled experience of the most unique, innovative and luxurious products under one roof.
We focused on making Big Boys toys. It's truly a family event. So there's something in it for everyone. So obviously for the male side of the family, they're going to be the test drive pit, the drift to buy, the amazing other products that we have. For the females in the same, obviously we have the DJ zones where they can chill. We have Judith Lieber, who are one of the most renowned wallet, clutches and purse manufacturers in the world. We have another company called Tanya Jarvinen. They are producers of some of the world's most exclusive scarves and ties. For the kids, obviously, never to forget them, we have the amazing simulators where they can start honing in on sort of their dreams and the hopes of becoming Formula One and rally drivers in the future. We have RC zones where they can not only see, but also experience some of these products, which include some of the most amazing lineup of RC products in the world. So, in a nutshell, that's what it's going to be. I'm not going to spoil too much more of the excitement of it. I want you to come and experience it for yourself.